Welcome to the Paradise Chickens workshop, which is all about edges. Hi, I'm Richard Robinson. In this lesson I'm going to show you how of all the elements a painter must consider, including subject, design, value and color, perhaps the most often overlooked by beginners is the subtle art of edges. The best painters use edges so subtly we're not even aware that our eyes are being led through the canvas, going from one sharp edge to the next. But in this workshop you're going to discover the possibilities of edges and how they can enhance your own work. Learn by comparing your work with other students' work and by reading my personal critiques. This is a great way to improve your painting quickly. You'll find that my method of painting is very fast and fluid, but the way I teach is nice and slow. So you'll find it a joy to paint quickly and confidently, following this lesson step by step, just like thousands of my students are all over the world. So happy painting, let's get started.